we've had reports of something that's been going on today.
Yeah.
With you and the law enforcement agency. So at the moment you are detained.
I'm detained?
Yeah, until we figure out
Oh, mate, thank you so much.
Been provided, okay?
Yeah, you're going to put hands on me here?
No, I'm not going to cuff you.
No, you're putting hands on me.
I've got my hand on you.
Let's go to the person.
No, so you're not going to go down here. You're going to stay here for.
Am I?
Okay, yeah.
Wicked.
So you're going to stay here until we figure out what's going on. At the minute you're detained.
I'm detained.
So you're not under arrest.
Good.
Until
I know what I'm doing. This ain't my first rodeo, love.
Okay.
Can you just tell this gentleman
so you can't go over
that I'm allowed to film in public?
For me, okay?
Can you tell him I'm allowed? No, I'm not going to. You got your hands on me.
I've got my hand.
Get your hands off me.
If you continue to be aggressive, then you will be cuffed. Okay?
Go on then, cuff me. Go on.
At the minute,
I haven't done anything.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public.
Okay. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public, like this.
Stay here for.
My camera.
Calm down. Calm down.
The camera don't lie, love.
I'm not saying that you've done anything wrong.
Yeah, you are. You're detaining me. You're holding me in public.
The officer's response raises serious concerns from the very beginning. Moment after arriving, she detains the auditor based largely on an unclear report rather than verified facts. There was no specific offense identified, no clear evidence presented, and no thorough assessment of the situation. Even more striking, she acknowledges that she is not accusing him of wrongdoing while continuing to restrict his movement. The auditor was engaged in a lawful activity, recording in a public space. Instead of gathering information and evaluating the circumstances, the officer moved straight to enforcement. The result is a situation that appears driven more by assumption than careful judgment, turning a routine encounter into a questionable exercise of authority.
These people think that I'm doing wrong, and you're holding me over something this little goon over here said.
Right, calm down, okay? You don't want to be calling people names in the street, okay?
Goon.
I heard what you said.
It's not illegal, love.
I didn't say
Get your hand off me.
No.
Yes.
You are being detained until, calm down, until I figure out what's going on. Are you okay?
Ma, I walk around filming people. It's what I do.
Okay,
it's not weird. He can't just call you. He's called the police, and you come up to me and put your hands on me.
You are detained.
And detain me.
Yeah. Calm down.
What time did you detain me?
I know.
Can you identify yourself?
Look, I'm in full uniform.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Why haven't you told me you're recording? You need to tell me at the first opportunity.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Should we get your things up so we can have a look at it?
And this is always on. It's never on camera.
Mate.
Okay?
No, same as mine.
Calm down for me.
When the auditor asks whether the interaction is being recorded, the response only adds to the confusion. Rather than providing a clear explanation, the concern is quickly dismissed. Transparency is a key part of public trust, especially during official encounters where actions and decisions are being documented. Keeping people informed helps ensure clarity and accountability on all sides. In this situation, important details were never fully explained, leaving questions about the purpose and handling of the interaction. Instead of reducing uncertainty, the response created more of it, turning what should have been a straightforward exchange into a moment that invites further scrutiny.
I won't calm down. You're putting out, like, do I look like a criminal to you?
I know you're a lovely boy.
Exactly. Do I look like a criminal to you?
you're not.
So why are they? You're grabbing me.
Listen.
I'm telling you what. There's a funeral going on over here.
Exactly.
Right.
So calm
Let's
down.
go over here.
So calm down. I've tried to come down here.
You? Goon.
Come on, calm down.
Put me in the van. Go on.
I'm not putting you in the van. I'm sitting here.
No, I'm not sitting nowhere.
If you just sit here,
I'm not taking no directives off you. I was filming in public.
That's fine.
I'm a man with a camera, not a gun.
No, we know.
We're
We're just trying to find out what's
No, I'm not doing you any favour.
Just sit there.
I'm not doing you any favour.
Calm down for
No.
me.
Let you go.
I am.
Making us.
Listen.
You're going to make negotiations with me when I've done nothing wrong.
We're not trying to negotiate. We're just
At the minute, I can't figure out what's gone on because I'm dealing with you.
No, don't push me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
My camera's on.
You're all right. You haven't done anything.
Why?
Stop
pushing me then.
All I want you to do
No,
is stay here.
You're controlling me. You're trying to give me directives.
Yeah.
I haven't done
So I'm
anything.
trying to figure out what's going on.
Well, listen to me.
Even as the auditor remains calm and attempts to explain the situation, his words appear to gain little attention. The officer repeatedly states that she is trying to understand what happened, yet meaningful dialogue never seems to take place. That contradiction is hard to ignore. Understanding a situation requires listening, gathering facts, and considering all sides before reaching conclusions. Instead, the interaction appears shaped by assumptions rather than open communication. As the encounter continues, routine and lawful behavior is viewed with increasing suspicion, creating unnecessary tension. Moments like these often highlight how quickly misunderstandings can grow when communication is replaced by predetermined conclusions.
Yeah, but we have to speak to both parties.
Listen to me. No.
Okay, I know, I understand. Listen, calm down. Doing that and pointing out to him
Right, sorry.
and causing more issues is going to make
Go
something
down
happen,
to the
isn't it?
cube. Go down to the cube. Do
I
inquiries down there.
can't because I'm dealing with you. I can't go and
Blah,
see
blah,
them.
blah,
I
blah.
can't go and see
Don't
them.
put your hands on my property.
Don't point that in my face.
I'll point it wherever I
In my
want.
face, okay? Listen.
Just explain what's happened.
I was filming the back of the Securico van, like a G4S,
Yeah.
like that. And he's gone up to the man and said, "Oh, he's filming you." And then he's like, "Oh, I don't give you permission to film me. I'm in public. Go and explain to him that I can film in public."
Was that any reason
you
for
can.
filming the van at all?
Yes, because I can. Because this is what happens when you do.
Listen.
No,
Listen,
I want to
stay
hear
here
what
for
you're
me.
saying.
No, you're not.
No.
You're not going to make the situation worse.
Why are you putting hands on me?
Because you're trying to get involved and make the situation
No,
worse.
I'm not.
All I'm trying to do...
I need to hear what
Listen,
he's saying.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I'm walking down the road, filming,
Yeah, okay.
and
Listen.
you're just a goon.
Listen.
Now
Calm
jog on.
down. Stop. There's no...
Have you detained me as well?
No, you are detained.
Have you detained me?
I'm
No,
not
I...
You detained me.
I have detained you.
What station are you,
I'm
like,
from Pembroke Dock Station.
Yeah?
719.
another Pembroke Dock Station?
719. There you go. You can
Yeah.
get in full force of your camera.
I'm waiting for 720 quid off on you
Oh, right.
for illegal detainment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And the auditor mentions that he is already expecting compensation from the same police force over a previous dispute. It adds another layer of scrutiny to the situation. Many would expect past incidents to encourage greater care, clearer communication, and a more measured approach during future encounters. Instead, the similarities between the two events raise important questions about whether previous lessons have truly been absorbed. While one incident alone may not define a wider issue, repeated concerns can naturally attract attention and public discussion. For critics, moments like this are less about a single encounter and more about whether meaningful improvements are being reflected in day-to-day policing.
All I've asked you to do is stand out the way for me.
No, you pushed me, you put hands on me, everybody's seen it, it's all on camera, mate.
Because you keep on wanting to go over there, so I'm trying to prevent you.
I don't want to go nowhere near
going
that
over there, okay?
person.
As we've said, it's all on our cameras as well.
Yeah, and it's all on my camera.
I know.
Fine.
I know it's all on your camera.
I haven't done anything wrong, mate.
Listen, I haven't said you have.
So
I'm saying-
why grab my arm and make me
I'm
look like a
saying to
criminal
you-
in front of everybody in Tenby, like?
Listen to me.
It's a small town.
Listen to me.
I'm allowed to film. Why are you going over there and telling him?
Listen, my colleague's over there to speak to him.
Honestly, I swear on my kid's life, like, I was like filming the G4S. He said, "Oh, you can't, he's filming you." And then the G4S man said, "Oh, you can't film me in pub. You can't film me. I don't give you permission to film me." What's his job? He's in a public, and he can't tell me not to film him in public.
Okay.
Can he?
Well, you know, I like it the same as we can't tell you to not to film us.
Exactly.
When reports emerged that a G4S driver had contacted police about being filmed, the key issue should have been establishing whether any unlawful activity was actually taking place. If the filming was occurring from a public location, many would view that as an important factor when assessing the situation. Instead, the encounter quickly escalated before those details appeared to be fully explored. Rather than beginning with clarification and communication, the response focused on intervention, raising questions about whether the circumstances were properly evaluated. Throughout the exchange, the auditor presents his position calmly and consistently, while disagreement seems to stem largely from differing expectations about privacy in a public setting. That contrast becomes one of the defining features of the entire encounter.
Why am I, like, being criminalised?
I haven't arrested
Yeah,
you.
you've detained
I
me.
haven't said, yeah, but that's different to arrest.
Get off my arm.
We're not having this. We're not having this pulling too. Just stay here for me whilst we figure out what's going on. That's all I want you to do.
All I've done is filmed in public.
Okay? But because we've had a report,
Of what?
we just need to need to
What
see
is the report?
everybody that's involved. At the moment, I'm not sure. My colleague's over there trying to get more
I'm
information.
trying to speak to you about
Okay? This is what I'm trying to tell you. What was your name?
Really?
Why can't I ask you that question?
Because I don't need to give you it.
Okay, well, I'd like to know who you are.
Why?
Because I'm talking to you.
Why do you need to know who I
You've
am?
asked who I am because you're talking to me.
Yeah, that's your policy, isn't it?
Yeah, so
I ain't got no policies. I don't work for you.
I just asked you.
You work for me.
Okay.
Jog on.
This part of the encounter raises further questions about how legal powers are being applied. After detaining the auditor, the officer requests his identity, despite no clear explanation being given as to why that information is required. The exchange becomes even more notable when the request appears to follow a discussion about officer identification rather than any newly established facts. When the auditor points out that he is not generally required to identify himself without specific legal grounds, the conversation shifts away from the legal basis and toward personal preference. However, public interactions are expected to be guided by established procedures, not individual wishes. Moments like this often highlight the importance of clear legal justification and consistent decision-making during police encounters.